quickly, I'm going to teach you how to make this bag and fix the handle right now. Like, how do we fix handle for this type of bags? Watch. We have different options. Okay, what's the name? That is a double gusset clutch bag. All right, yes, we also call it accordion clutch bag. It is an accordion clutch bag. So we have different options how to fix this handle. All right, there is a strap keeper that was created purposely for it. This is a strap keeper. You get this from wherever you're buying your leather materials, okay? Those selling the leather accessories. Are you in Lagos State? You can get this in Motion. Are you in Abuja? You can get this at Utako. You can get it as in Nyanya Market. You can get it in Maraba. Are you in Jos? You can get this in Old Bukuru Park, Maternity Junction, Jos City. Are you in Kano State? You can get this in Kofa One Bay. All right, yes, you can get this in that Kofa One Bay if you are in Kano State. Okay, yes. So, and then if you are in Anambra State, you can go to Aba in Abia State. It has tiny screw. In Africa, we can easily put anything in our mouth. We are safe. We don't die by sickness and diseases. So, the idea behind it is how to make the bag first so you don't create too much thickness and then you'll be battling with the stitches. Okay, yes, so we put it up there. Good. Can you see it? And then it has a space for 2 screws. How do we tie the screw? Because you may not have the screwdriver. So how do we go about it? I'm going to show you the options available. You can first guide it with your hand. You can use your knife. It's as simple as that. You can use your kitchen knife that have a sharp tip like this one, okay? Yes. And then I'm going to show you the precise screwdriver. This is the exact type of screwdriver. All right, yes. Maybe you can meet any technician to buy a sharp screwdriver like this particular one. So that's what we're using. It's very tiny. Like the screw is so tiny. All right, yes, you tie it, you tie it, you tie it, you tie it. That is how simple it is. Okay, then you fix. There are 2 screws. Okay, yes, I just want to demonstrate for you. So the same thing with this bag. All right, yes, they are all the same thing. Double gusset clutch bag. So the first you need to learn is how to make classic bags. How to make classic bags. I have 50 different designs of classic bags making in the training class. 50 different designs of the classic bags from the scratch measurement to finish it. Can you see it? Yes. So everything is well arranged step by step for you in the training class. 50, that is 5 and 0 over, not just 50 designs. So and then you go on to make your bags. You tie it, and then let me also show you this particular bag. See this one, right? They are also in the training class. You see that it's in the training class together with the purse, hand purse. Okay, yes. So like many bags are in the training class. So and then then option number 2, the chain, is to fix your chain. That is option 2. Can you see? You fix your chain. You can either fix the eyelet horizontally or vertical wise, any of the method, and then you have your chain. Okay, you design your bags. Can you see that? So you have to learn how to make classic bags, and then The last one here I'm going to show you guys is this one too. Can you see it? So I have 2 pair of shoes inside. Like, you just have to learn how to make classic bags. Okay, yes. So let me close it. So please be patient with me. I'm coming back right now. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Just give me some seconds. I just wanna, or let's just close it right here. I want to lock it so I can show you properly. All right. Yes. So you need to learn how to make classic bags. So everything, all the bags, they are well arranged in the training class, from the kinds of materials needed, the pattern making, cutting techniques, folding techniques, how to create any size you can imagine. Like, you are supposed to be trained to the level where whatever you see, you'll be able to make it. That is training. Not the type of training some people receive. In the next 2 years, you come and be requesting measurement. You see a small bag, how was it made? You see this one, how was it made? You see this one. No, you are to be set free. We are carrying you inside to the kingdom of creativity, to the kingdom of recreating any size you can imagine. Once you see, you'll be able to figure out the type of gusset, the kind of flap, all right, the interface needed, the suitable materials, the suitable accessories. So all these things are the things we need to open your eyes to see them clearly. So that is why you have to come under mentorship. My online training class, you must spend more than 1 year to understand everything perfectly. Physical training, you need more than 1 year to grab everything, to become a pro. We don't want you to be challenged in any way. But if you want to be challenged, if you want to be dependent from one measurement to another, that is where you'll be enrolling for training of 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Don't quote me wrong. You may be so sharp and creative that you can learn the bag within a day. Now you sabi. Now you sabi. You can learn it for 2 weeks. Now you sabi. 3 weeks. Now you sabi. 3 months. No problem. I don't argue with you. But I will not hold you to stay. No. Whatever time you want to go, we give you the certificate. But in my rules and regulation, you are enrolling for so time. All right? But I will teach you everything. I don't delay. I don't delay. You understand? Yes, I don't delay. So for about 6 months to 7 months, we already made about more than 20 different step-by-step tutorials. All these bags were made just of recent in the training class. Okay? Yes, more than 20 different tutorials, not just to be making it, but recording step by step. So I don't delay. So imagine within 7 months, you cover over 20 different bags. And then I'm still telling you that you need like 1 year more than. So we get you into the kingdom. We dip you, we soak you, cook you, and fry you, and roast you. Let me stop here so I don't joke too much. But that's just the reality about me. But if you want to join my training class, today, you can deliver a practical. 2 days, you can deliver a practical, okay? Yes, so, but for you to master, to become that guru pro, and then to be known that you graduated from high level of grace. If you hear this and say, "I'm pride," but that's the reality. Bye. Message me to join the training class.